He emphasized that people who have tinnitus, the fact that they think about it and pay attention to it tends to exacerbate the circuitry. And it sounds like a brush off, but he really encouraged people to try and not think about it, try to distract themselves, because that could help prevent some of the ramping up of the what we call, as you and I call, the gain of those circuits, because and people don't like that answer, and I can understand why they don't like it, because well, you don't want me to think about this loud ringing in my ears. And he's saying, yeah, until you get a treatment, a proper treatment, you need to try and not think about it, because thinking about it makes it worse, which of course for some people makes it worse.
Yes.
But nonetheless, I think it's a very important message that if you have tinnitus, to do everything you possibly can to try and distract yourself from it and then pursue proper treatment.
And in fact, that's what we recommend in the clinic as well. And lots of people find it reassuring, because we first have to do complete and thorough evaluation, which includes examination of the ears, examination of the whole head and neck, hearing testing, to make sure that there is no asymmetry or difference between the two ears. If there is a significant asymmetry, that triggers imaging or additional testing, like auditory brainstem evoked response testing. And imaging, it's typically MRI, and this is where we are looking for these tumors that could cause hearing loss. They are super rare, so I don't want people to be stressing out and thinking they have that, but it's important to rule out. Indeed, once we find that there is no tumor, then we do try to reassure patients and explain that tinnitus is indeed a phantom sound produced by the brain and why it makes it. And the more you think about it, the more you reinforce that circuit, just like you said. So if you are occupied by other things or you have background noise, it lessens it.